Good morning students, now welcome to today's maths class. Students, in today's maths class, today I am explaining the fourth chapter. Fourth chapter, that means quadratic equation. You also study about the quadratic equation in second chapter polynomial. In second chapter polynomial, you study the basic form. What is the basic form of quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. On polynomial chapter, you study that there are two zeros, and zeros is also named roots. Two zeros means two values of x, and two values of x in polynomial is called zeros, but in this chapter it's called root of quadratic equation. Okay students, so at first, which type of roots? रूट का नेचर कैसा है? So finding the nature of roots, we take a quadratic equation, compare with basic equation, then coefficient, find the value of coefficients. A equals to 2 and b equals to 1 and c equals to -6. Then after we find the discriminant that is b. b equals to b square minus 4ac. Plot these values. 1 square minus 4 into a and into c. So 1 minus minus plus 6 4 are 24 and 2 are 48. And 1 49. Value of b is 49. So students, I am telling about the discriminant. Discriminant, the formula of discriminant is b equals to b square minus 4ac, and the value of b is greater than 0. That means positive value. If the value of b is greater than 0, the nature of root is two distinct real roots, and the value of b is equal to 0, then nature of root is real and equal roots. Third one, the value of b is less than 0, that means negative value, so no real roots but imaginary roots. Okay students, in here you find the discriminant of this quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation, the value of b is 49. So what is the condition of 49? Means the value of b is greater than 0. b की वैल्यू क्या है? 0 से बड़ी है. तो कैसे नेचर क्या होगा रूट्स का? रियल रूट्स, ओनली रियल. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड polynomial chapter we are studying only factorization. Only factorization, find the zeros and relation of between the zeros and coefficients. Again we find the polynomial. How can we find the polynomial? These type of topics of quadratic equation we are studying on polynomial. But in this chapter, students, we are studying how can solve a quadratic equation. How can solve the quadratic equation? Quadratic equation solved by three methods. First one, factorization method. Second one, formula method. And third one, completing square. Dear students, there have only three systems, three methods by applying to find the quadratic equation solution. That means root of the quadratic equation. By the factorization, you know very well, because you are studying earlier class also. That is, factorization is also called mid-term splitting method. Mid-term splitting method, that means you multiply it by first term to the last. What comes? 12. Now factor of 12 settlement is from negative sign comes to 1. 12 में ऐसे फैक्टर करें, मल्टीप्लाई करने पर तो 12 ही आए, लेकिन उनका फैक्टर सेटलमेंट ऐसा हो कि इनको लेस करने पर इस सिंबल लेस करने पर क्या है, इसका कोएफिशिएंट यानी 1, देन 4 मल्टीप्लाई करने पर कितना होगा 12, लेकिन अगर सब्सट्रैक्ट करने पर क्या आएगा, so we plot in there 4 minus 3. Understood, students? That is the mid term split. How can split? Open this bracket 4x minus 3x minus 6 and equals to 0. There are 4 steps. We take common 2 steps. So first one common 2x. Remaining is x plus 2. Second one common minus 3. Remaining is x plus 2. So in first bracket x plus 2 and second bracket 2x minus 3 and equals to 0. Find the roots. How can find the root? X plus 2 equals to 0 one time and 2x minus 3 equals to 0 second time. So x equals to minus 2 and 2x equals 3 and then x equals to 3 by 2. Students, by applying factorization method and we find the roots of quadratic equation that are minus 2 and 3. So students, this is the first method, factorization method, and in second word midterm splitting method is common. Now this question I am doing another method, that is formula. How can I do the formula? So students, at first we compare with basic equation. Find the coefficients a, 2, b, 1 and value of c is minus 6. And what is the formula by utilizing formula method? Formula method, students, that is composed by Dharacharya formula. It is also named of Dharacharya formula because this formula is represented by mathematician Dharacharya. And in own words, I am saying to this formula, that is Brahma. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन कभी सॉल्व ना हो रही हो, एक्स का वैल्यू ना निकलना हो, रूट्स ना निकलना हो, अब फॉर्मूला मेथड अप्लाई कर दीजिए और ओके स्टूडेंट, हाउ कैन अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला? सो x इक्वल्स टू माइनस b प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac and upon that is the formula of the formula method. Put the value in there. So x equals minus b value 1 plus minus under root b square and minus 4 into a into c and upon 2a. Okay. Now x equals 1 plus minus under root 1 plus 25. So, 2a. 4a and c. Minus minus plus 25, 48 and upon 4. So now x equals to minus 1 plus minus under root 49 and upon 4. That value is minus 1 plus minus 7 upon 4. So students, one time we take plus sign and one time we take minus sign. Because in there two signs plus and minus. So x equals minus 1 plus 7 upon 4. And when we take minus sign, so x equals minus 1 minus 7 upon 4. X equals 6 upon 4. 3 jump, 2 jump, then x value is 3 by 2. That is the first value. And the second value x equals to minus 8 by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. Then value of x is minus 2. Understood, students? You know about the formula method, students. That is the formula method. So you know about the two methods of solving quadratic equation. First one, midterm splitting method, and second one, formula method. Students, you see that the value of roots of both solution are same. Why these values are same? Because the equation is same. Only methods are different. Only methods are different. Question is same, so answer is same. Understood? Now third one is completing square. Student, it is very important method because in board examination, one question is coming many times. You solve this quadratic equation by the completing square. When question is bonded to you, you solve the question by completing square method. So you solve the question by completing square. It is compulsory. So how can you apply this? You see. Equation is same, 2x square plus x minus 6 equals to 0. So at first student, completing square method will be A. What is the coefficient of x square? कुछ भी हो x स्क्वायर का जो भी कोएफिशिएंट हो उसे होल इक्वेशन को हमें डिवाइड करना है. So divide equation by 2. 2x square upon 2 plus x upon 2 minus 6 upon 2 and equals to 0. 2 cancel x square plus x upon 2 and minus 2 equals to 0. So students, पहला काम आपने क्या किया? x square के कोएफिशिएंट से इक्वेशन को डिवाइड कर. Not every step. x square कोएफिशिएंट से होल इक्वेशन को डिवाइड करना. फिर क्या करना है? कांस्टेंट टर्म को दूसरे साइड पर x square plus x upon 2 and equals minus the to other side is plus. Right? पहला काम क्या किया आपने? x स्क्वायर से x स्क्वायर के कोएफिशिएंट से होल इक्वेशन को डिवाइड किया. दूसरा कांस्टेंट टर्म को दूसरी तरफ रखा. और तीसरा काम क्या करना है? ओरिजिनल इक्वेशन से आपको फॉर्मेट बनाना है b upon 2a का होल स्क्वायर. So what is the value of b? That is the coefficient of x. And value of a is 2 whole square. So 1 upon 4 whole square. Adding both sides. Adding both. Understood, students? Then after x square plus x upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 whole square and equals 3 plus 1 upon 4. Again I remind you students that first पहले काम क्या करना है? x स्क्वायर की कोएफिशिएंट से होल इक्वेशन को डिवाइड करने पर जो भी आता है उसमें से कांस्टेंट टर्म को दूसरे साइड ट्रांसफर करना है. फिर हमें ओरिजिनल इक्वेशन से b upon 2a यानी कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ x एंड x स्क्वायर की कोएफिशिएंट से रिलेशन बनाना है b upon 2a का होल स्क्वायर. राइट? और उसे दोनों साइड पे ऐड. फिर क्या देखते हैं स्टूडेंट? x स्क्वायर के बाद जो भी हमारा मतलब प्लस है देन फॉर्मूला इज a प्लस b. अगर यहाँ माइनस है तो a माइनस b. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर क्या बनेगा? x प्लस 4 इक्वल्स टू 3 प्लस 1 अपॉन 16. राइट? You solve this. 16 to the 48 and 49 upon 16 and equals to x plus 1 upon 4. Whole square goes to other side. So x plus 1 upon 4 is equals to plus minus 7 upon 4. You see again, there is two sign, plus and minus. So one time we take plus sign and one time we take minus sign. Okay students? Then x equals x plus 1 upon 4 equals to 7 upon 4 taking plus sign and x plus 1 upon 4 equals equals to minus 7 upon 4 and minus 7. Okay, now find the roots. X equals 7 upon 4 and minus 1 upon 4 because it's transferred to the other side. So positive symbol converted to the negative symbol. Then x equals to 6 upon 4. 2 3 jar to 2 jar, then value of x is 3 by 2. Same as x equals to minus 7 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 because transferred to the side. So x equals to minus 8 upon 4. 4 to the 8, then value of x is minus 2. Students, whole chapter, all topics are clear. At first, you know about the quadratic equation. Yes, the basic form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Then, how can the type of the nature of, what is that nature of the roots? So, you know the nature of the roots. You find the discriminant by using this identity. B equals to b square minus 4ac. If the value of b is greater than 0, then real roots. The value of b is equal to 0, that means real and equal roots. If the value of b is less than 0, that means no real roots. Understood, students? And third one is, then after you find the nature of roots. How can you find the nature of root? You take a quadratic equation, compare with the basic equation, find the coefficient of a, b, c, and discriminant formula. Put all these values, find the value of b. The value of b is 49. You see that the value of b is greater than 0. That means real. Okay. After that, students, how can we solve the quadratic equation? So we solve the quadratic equation by three methods: factorization method, formula method, and completing square. Factorization method, formula method, and completing square method. In all three methods, we take single equation in all three methods. 2x square plus x minus 6 equals to 0. Factorization method, we do by midterm splitting method and find the value of x. Then after formula method, we apply the formula, find the value of x. Completing square method, utilize the process and find the value. Students, both methods are very important, formula method and completing square method. Because in board examination, question is bonded. You solve the quadratic equation by the formula method or completing square. Okay, students, but more huge problem of this chapter is word problem. You have given a word problem. So you at first you read the word problem carefully, make a quadratic equation and solve any method which you want. Okay, that's all.